In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage contacts in HubSpot, a straightforward yet essential skill for maintaining a well-organized customer relationship management system. We'll walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring you feel confident in managing your contacts effectively. Let's get started by logging into your HubSpot account. This is your gateway to all the CRM features HubSpot offers, including contact management. Once you're in, direct your attention to the navigation menu. Here, you'll want to click on CRM, followed by Contacts. This path will take you to the section where you can manage all your existing contacts with ease. Now that you're on the Contacts page, you'll find yourself in the heart of contact management. This is where all your customer data lives, allowing you easy access to detailed information about each individual in your database. Whether you're looking to update information, view recent interactions, or analyze customer behavior, this is your go-to spot. As we dive in deeper, let's talk about the three main buttons you'll frequently use. First up is the Actions drop-down menu. This menu is crucial for various contact management tasks. For example, if you're looking to identify and deal with duplicate entries, this is where you'll begin. It simplifies keeping your contact database clean and efficient. Next comes the Import button. This feature is incredibly handy when you're dealing with contacts sourced from outside HubSpot. Whether you've collected information through a previous CRM tool or have consolidated lists from other areas of your business, importing them into HubSpot is quick and seamless. It ensures that all your valuable customer information is housed in one place, making access and management much simpler. Finally, we have the Create Contact button. There are times when you need to add an individual contact manually, perhaps someone you've recently connected with or a referral. This button allows you to input their details right away, ensuring no potential leads or customer interactions slip through the cracks. To recap, we've explored how to navigate HubSpot's contact management system, from logging in and accessing the Contacts section via the CRM tab, to managing existing contacts with the key buttons like Actions, Import, and Create Contact. You now have the basic skills to keep your contacts organized and up to date. Whether you're tidying up duplicates, bringing in new contacts from external sources, or adding individuals one by one, everything is at your fingertips in HubSpot. With these tools and tips, you're well equipped to maintain a robust, efficient CRM system. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to take control of your contact management in HubSpot. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore HubSpot's support resources or reach out for more personalized guidance.